Understanding the phrase, "My phone died," an English language guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a commonly used phrase in English, "My phone died." It might sound strange if you're learning English, but don't worry. We're going to explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples. So, let's get started. "My phone died" is a casual way to say that your phone has run out of battery and has turned off. It's important to note that this phrase is metaphorical. It doesn't mean the phone is literally dead, like a living thing. It's just a quirky way English speakers refer to electronic devices running out of power. You'll often hear this phrase in everyday conversations, especially when someone's phone turns off unexpectedly. It's a neutral phrase and can be used in both formal and informal settings. For example, if you're meeting a friend and they can't find you, they might say, "Sorry, my phone died. I couldn't call you." English speakers love to use similar phrases for other devices. For instance, "My laptop died" when the laptop battery runs out. "My tablet died" for tablets. These phrases follow the same pattern and meaning as "my phone died." Interestingly, this phrase reflects how integral technology is in our lives. It shows a personification of devices, treating them almost like they have a life of their own. This is a common feature in English, where non-living things are often given living attributes. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, "My phone died." Remember, it's just a fun, metaphorical way to say your phone's battery is empty. We hope you found this video helpful and enjoyable. Keep practicing, and you'll master these quirky English phrases in no time.